Look at this. Machines mapping your choices before you make them. Not magic, math. It's quietly turning data into money. Here's how. AI's prediction power starts with patterns we can't see. Neural networks digest oceans of clicks, prices, movements, context. Then simulate thousands of what-ifs in milliseconds. It ranks probabilities. Who buys, which trend accelerates, where risk hides. When the signal is strong, accuracy compounds, like a compass that gets sharper the longer you walk. So how does that make people rich? First, automate the boring profit. AI cleans data, drafts outreach, scores leads, runs A/B tests while you sleep. Second, analyze faster than the market breathes. Summarize reports, scrape competitors, spot inefficiencies, then act. Third, predict and price. From ad bids, inventory, crypto sentiment, models forecast behavior and set numbers with surgical precision. Finally, scale. One person with smart prompts, an agent loop, and a dashboard can operate like a small team. The breakthrough moment? When you stop asking AI for answers and start asking for edges. Feed it your data, not just general knowledge. Train on your customers, your timing, your constraints. Suddenly the noise collapses. A pattern appears, an early demand spike, a price misalignment, a churn trigger. You move first. That time delta is value. Here's the rule. AI doesn't guarantee wins. It narrows uncertainty. Your job is to place better bets with that narrower cone. Smarter decisions, bigger opportunities, Mind Ocean.